What the fuck?
Slide, drop, hit the floor, don't stop, hey, don't stop it, and I'm free. Slide, drop, hit the floor, don't stop, hey, don't stop. Ready? Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that. Run a man on that beat. Do your dad, do your dad, do your dad. You ugly. I'm your daddy's son. And I'm free falling for life.
That was... What the hell?
Order up.
Oh.
Order up. I said order up.
Oh.
Order up. Hey, it's like, how's it going? Like, how's it going? Let me tap that booty.
Oh.
I love you so much.
She got me going down. Oh.
So hungry. Yes.
Oh.
Dude, bite it. Don't lick it, bite it. I didn't expect that.
Oh.
It's got a nice ring to it. Give it a nice ring. There's bells going on.
Oh. Oh my god. What the
I've seen this one.
Oh. They're so lucky. They get to play with it, and kids don't. That's messed up.
Stuff's funny. Funny.
Oh. Oh. This dog's like, I'm too lazy to swim.
Came outside and I found 4-leaf clover. Charlie, look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it.
George. George. George.
Uh-oh. It's not gonna end well.
Don't you like to go outside? I would have to do that.
What the hell? Did I really?
It's F. It's after this one. Just watch the little black dot that goes across. Watch his hind legs, okay?
How you like your outfit?
Oh no. Hey look, it's Crate Dog.
What are you doing under there?
What the
Smile. Yes. Smile. Yes. You're funny.
it, Mommy, I'm doing it.
Oh, she's fine. She's just playing with you. That's how she plays. Here she goes. She's gonna get you.
Such a that's so mean. I would her up for that one.
Wake up.
Go jump on her.
No, I'm gonna record her.
Angel, fruitcake, princess. Watch this.
I love you. I love you. I love
You can go
you.
back to bed now. Okay. Okay.
Whose birthday is it? Is it Levi's birthday? Raise your hand if it's your birthday.
Oh my god. Ew. Ew.
Dude, let's rewind it. Some of the best ones we already passed.
Ew.
I think that thing is farted.
The ones who change
Ugh.
everything. Minds.
What is this? What did you do? Pancake? Come here. Come here. You gonna take a bath?
Oh.
Why are you doing that? I can't criticize that. I'm not doing that.
Buddy? Bud? Did you have a goofy dream?
Oh! Okay. That's new. I think I've seen it.
Oh, there's another one. Oh my God.
Oh, I hate this one. It's so funny though.
Okay, all right.
My babies! Good morning, my babies.
Hello.
Your mom always does that.
Yeah.
What? I like big butts again like that. You upper can't do that. Come on, it's funny. I'm funnier than that.
It's funny animals.
Oh,
I didn't catch it.
I can't be funny like them. What if I put some rabbit ears on?
Oh, where else?
I want that dog.
See, I want the dog after this. I want this dog.
Oh, I want that dog.
It's a pug.
It's a bird. It's a pig. Super kitty.
You pooped in the kitchen?
You ready, Paul? Walk. 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 You ready, Paul? Good boy. Walk, bud. You gotta walk, buddy. Walk, buddy.
So he's graduated to dragon instead of stuff.
Good boy. Walk. You can't sit. Walk.
Let's go. Good. Come on, Louis. Come on, Louis. No failure. Look at the tree, listen. Look at the tree. Look at the tree.
It's cute.
Never mind.
The dog got his head stuck in the container.
Do you want to play?
Just run into the door.
I want that dog. Never mind.
I
I want that one. Sounds funny.
Diesel, this way. Come on. That's a sin.
Okay. Oh.
Cooper doesn't know what to do with it. I'm sorry, look at Coco.
I don't want that puppy.
You sure you still want that? Oh, I want this one. Okay. It's new.
I want that puppy. I want that kitten.
I think that kitten might have mental problems. My dog was going like this a lot. And just giving me fun of it, and the dog went.
I had one, yeah. For about.
Your dad's a dog
Take your
person.
shoes. What did you do with grandma's shoes?
Yeah.
Did grandma take your shoes? Did grandma take your shoes? What happened to your shoes, Choco? Where's my shoes?
I want that puppy. That's it.
Are you trying to make out with the baby or something?
Okay, I want that dog. It's fine.
I want that one.
I'm doing a handstand.
Come here, Audrey. You look excited.
Here's it.
I want that one.
Dancing.
Did you poo on my carpet?
My puppy.
Huh? Did you poo on my carpet? Huh? Look, did you poo on my carpet? Don't be playing dead now. Don't be playing dead. Because you know you're going to get it. Poo on my carpet. Then you want to play dead. Oh yeah? We're just gonna sleep right there? What did you do? I take a nap and you destroy the couch? Come here. Gracie! 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 Gracie!
What?
That's a shark.
No, that wasn't. That was not a shark. A dog just jumped onto a shark.
What did you do? I take a nap and you destroy the couch?
I think it might be a shark.
I don't know. I don't think so.
A shark or a
Gracie!
That's a dolphin.
Gracie! 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 Go get your toy! Hurry, go get it! Go get
This kid was being a little pussy earlier.
it! Go get your toy.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Little girl.
Watch him sneezing pets.
My puppy. I can't. My horse. I would love to have a horse like that, except for I don't want to grow up.
What just happened?
Snot kept flying out of his mouth.
I missed it.
Now flew on a person.
Yeah.
Ah. Go back to sneeze.
Sneeze. Sneeze. Sneeze. Sneeze. Simple, sneeze. Sneeze.
Ow.
Socks are gonna hit you.
Oh, bless you! God bless you, Stuart!
Ow. Ah.
Imagine when the kitten said that. Stop! Don't move your feet!
guys are weirdos.
Ah! Ow! Mom, watch. They're sneezing. Take it back to the cat.
Looks like Mason's over there.
Mom, watch the cat.
Oh!
Stop.
So which bathroom you want?
That's tough because they're both pretty messy. They just want to take one with a little bit.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. That way I can wash clothes, grab clothes, and be closer to the sink.
What about the bathroom? What?
Get ready for the overhaul!
What?
Ow! You're
Biting my toes.
Mia. No. Get my armpit
Mom, grab cat and hand him to me.
Excuse me?
Oh.
She could go back to bed.
Girl, you look like you've been without sleep for 12 days.
See, he loves
Probably
me.
wipe that shit out your eyeballs.
This is my cat.
I
Mom.
tried. It didn't work.
Mom, this is my cat. You could tell.
No, he's actually my cat.
That's trying to run. Yeah, it's totally
That's
your
my
cat.
cat.
These-
Oh, mine.